Hello, my name is Steve Moore and I'm here to demonstrate how to use bimx in a construction site. When you first open bimx, you can see which project that you want to select or see and that are stored on your tablet. To open it, you could just simply tap on it and wait for it to load. And when you first open it, it'll show you all the plans that you have uploaded onto the tablet. And then let's first look at the first floor plan view. And then it'll show you a preview in the top right hand corner, and then to view the actual plans, then you tap to view it. And then here you can see on the bottom right corner that the scale is set to in meters, and which is 1 to 100. And if you want to find out that how long this wall is right here, then you could just look at the dimensions like in a regular floor plan or a regular 2D mode. Then you can see that it's 4.5, but you don't know how tall it is or how wide the wall actually is until you do some more flipping through the pages. But in this, then you can actually just go to 3D view by tapping on the box on the left hand corner. And then once it opened up, then it overlaps the 2D plan and the 3D plan, and it actually put in with all the furniture in there too. And back to what we were interested in, which is the wall. Okay, you could just simply tap on the wall to highlight it and press the I button to reveal the information. You can see that the building height is 10 feet and 4 inches, and the length is 16 feet and 29 over 32 of an inch. In the thickness, you can also see the thickness, and you can also see what the wall is made out of, and which is brick. And in this view, in this mode, then you can actually click on anything that you want to know and the information that you want to know. Then here's the bed. You can actually click on it and see the information on it, and you can see that the height of the bed and the size of it, and you'll know which furniture to buy and what not to buy that meets the owner's expectations. And right here, you can also click on the window. You can click on the window, and then you can press I, and then you can see that it's a door window, and you can see the height, the width, and the sill height. And also for this window over here too. And then I just double tap on it to zoom up on it, and then I press I to reveal the information on it too. And then the height, you can see the height, and the sill height, and the width of the window. Now let's go look at the elevation view. You just go to top of the left hand corner like I just did, and you just go to elevations, and let's look at the north elevation. And then as you can see in the top right corner, then you see a preview of how it looks like. Then you just simply tap to view it. And in this view, you can see the height of the elevation and where and which everything is supposed to be. And you can see that there's a place right here where you could actually stay outside, and for the owners so they could actually hang out. And let's view this in 3D mode. So let's go on the bottom left hand corner right here. There's a house right here, so we just click on it, and it will be populated with the 3D mode and the 2D overlapping each other. And then here you can see it. Then if you want to see past the 2D view, then you could just rotate it, and then you can see that they are on different planes. And so you want to know, so these houses, this elevations are made out, these walls are made out of sections, so you could find out which each section is on each place, so you just like kind of like have to click randomly until you select which wall that you want. And then now let's go view my favorite part of this bimx. Well, as I was working through with bimx here, and I noticed that there's a bug, so I'll show it to you too. Okay, now when you go to 3D modeling, and then you can see that the preview in the top right corner. Then you click on it, it does not populate it. Therefore, you have to go to the columns button and click on it again, and you're gonna have to reload it all over again. So you go to 3D models, and then you tap to view the 3D. And see, now you got it into 3D mode now. And this is my favorite part right here. On the bottom right hand corner, there's like little half, well, a quarter of a circle, and so you just grab it, you just tap on it and you drag it out, and it will bring out a joystick. And with this, bam, you drop on the floor, and then that gives you the walk mode. And walk mode is like playing a game with a joystick. And then here, well, let's go walk around. And here you can actually show the owner of how the house actually looked like by walking through. In this mode, you cannot fly, so you could actually have to walk through the windows, well, walk through the doors, I mean, to actually walk around the house. And yeah, as you walk in, then you can actually select objects of what you actually want. So I just selected the floor, and there's the tables. And in here, you can see the height and the sizes. And so let's go back to walking. Okay, now let's go upstairs. And this really reminds me of like watching my little nephew them play games. It's like, oh man, getting a headache just watching this. And so here's a master bedroom, and there's a balcony outside. And see if you see Romeo and Juliet. Nope, they're not here. And here's another room with a small balcony that leads to another window that goes up here. And this is what I have been trying, which I think that is pretty cool, that you can actually go up the ladder to go onto the bed. So that this leads to stairs. And then whenever you do get lost, and if you do get lost trying to wander around the 3D modeling, then you could just go hit and click on the 3D house, and it'll take you back outside. And that's the demonstration of how you can use bimx to help improve the production of a project, and how you could show the owners what you actually built before you actually build it, and to make sure that the owners like what they see, and to make sure that the subcontractors know what they're building. So thanks for watching.